Learn English with confidence. Episode 3. Talking about hobbies and free time. Welcome back to Learn English with confidence. In this episode, we will learn how to talk about hobbies and free time activities in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. 1. Common hobbies and free time activities. Let's start with some common hobbies and free time activities. Repeat after me. I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love playing football. I go swimming every weekend. I like listening to music. I enjoy painting and drawing. I like cooking new recipes. I spend time with my friends. Great! Now, let's learn how to ask and answer questions about hobbies. 2. Asking about hobbies and free time. Here's how you ask someone about their hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? Do you enjoy playing sports? How often do you go hiking? And here's how you answer these questions. I like to play the guitar in my free time. My hobby is photography. Yes, I love playing basketball. I go hiking twice a month. 3. Practice conversation. A. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like reading books and listening to music. How about you? A. I enjoy playing football and watching movies. What are your hobbies? B. My hobby is photography. I love taking pictures of nature. A. That sounds great. Do you enjoy playing sports? B. Yes, I love playing badminton. Do you? A. Yes, I play basketball with my friends every weekend. Well done. Keep practicing these sentences until you feel confident. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. In the next episode, we'll learn how to talk about shopping and buying things. See you soon.